TDS Telecom down. Hello guys and welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with TDS Telecom right now, with the internet and with your TV. So now you can go to your favorite browser to Google and search for TDS Telecom down, and I will go ahead and do that right now. Just like this. So I will type in TDS Telecom down. Now you can go to the first site, and here you will see that many users reported problems at TDS Telecom, and right now there are over 500 reports in the last 24 hours. Most reported problems are at the internet, television, and only 4% to email. In conclusion, guys, you are not the only one who has this problem, so you don't have to worry about it. They will fix this as soon as possible, and you just have to wait. If you do have this problem, you can comment in the comment section down below, and if this video was useful for you, you can like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.